creative and tasteful friend. How are you doing? I hope wherever you are, you're happy and healthy. Today we're going to make an authentic and elegant chelo gusht together, a delicious dish with the aroma of saffron and that tender, flavorful meat. To make chelo gusht, I use lamb meat. You can use pieces of meat from shank, neck, or any part with bone for making this chelo gusht. I place them in hot oil. I sprinkle a bit of black pepper on top and fry them thoroughly. You can also use beef for chelo gusht, but it will require more time to cook. Lamb has a distinct aroma that becomes wonderful with the addition of spices and saffron. Beef has less of a smell and is a bit milder, but adding spices will also give it a great aroma and flavor. So, as you saw, once the meat was browned, I took it out of the pot and grated 2 onions coarsely, then sautéed them in the same oil. After the onions became soft and golden, I added a bit of turmeric and black pepper. I sauté them so the aroma of the spices is released. After the aroma of the spices is released, I add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I sauté it until the color of the paste deepens and its raw smell goes away. Friends, if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button at the end. And if you're not a subscriber to the channel, I'd be honored and happy if you joined and share this video with your friends. Thank you. So once the tomato paste has deepened in color, I arrange my fried pieces of meat on top of the sauce. I sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of ground coriander and 1 teaspoon of dried lime powder on top. Don't add more dried lime powder as it will make it bitter. I sprinkle them over the meat. I give everything a little shake in the same pot over the sauce and then place half a head of garlic on top. Then I pour water over it, boiling water. Then I let the meat cook. I didn't use cinnamon sticks or ground cinnamon in this chelo gusht, and even so, its aroma and flavor turn out amazing. But if you like, you can add a piece of cinnamon stick to it. Well, after about 3 hours, our meat is completely cooked. Near the end of cooking, I add some strong brewed saffron. I add a bit of salt, then let it cook just a little longer before taking it off the heat. Now let's move on to the rice. For 3 cups of rice that I've already soaked in water and salt for about 2 hours, I pour them into boiling water. Once the rice is partially cooked but still firm in the center, I take it off the heat, drain it, place my desired tahdig at the bottom of the pot over some oil, and then pour the rice on top. To help it steam well, I poke a few holes in the rice with the back of a spatula. I let it steam over the heat. Once it starts steaming, I pour hot water and oil over the rice to help it set. Now I let the rice steam and finish cooking. While the rice is steaming, I take some barberries that I soaked in water for a minute and then drained, sauté them in a bit of butter with a pinch of sugar, and then pour them over the rice. I also sprinkle some chopped parsley on top. I serve the broth from the chelo gusht separately, and as you can see, our dish turned out beautifully colorful and incredibly delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful for you. Try making chelo gusht this way yourself, and be sure to let me know in the comments whether you liked it or not.